Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make Gouda ale sliders on the Blackstone. The first thing we need to do is shred 1 pound of smoked Gouda. The best place to buy this in bulk is Sam's Club. Today we're cooking on the Blackstone Tailgater. Smoked Gouda into a cast iron skillet, followed by a 12-ounce bottle of ale. 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I have the flame on low. We'll give it a little stir. We can let that cheese and beer start to incorporate. Meanwhile, I have the griddle top on high. We'll throw down some olive oil, followed by a 22-ounce package of sliced roast beef. We'll chop up the beef into smaller slices. Add salt, black pepper, and granulated garlic to taste. The beef is already cooked, but I'm just looking to caramelize the outside of the meat. Meanwhile, we can go back to our smoked Gouda ale sauce. You can see that starting to melt. I have some hoagie slider rolls. Put those down on the griddle top so they can start to warm up. You can turn those as needed, and you should start to see a cheese soup. You don't want to overcook the roast beef. It looks perfect, so we'll turn the heat off, slide the roast beef over into the Gouda ale mixture. If you could smell this, you'd be licking your screen. Let's plate them up. And we can top the sliders with potato sticks. Gouda ale sliders, bold, rich comfort food. And I did it all on the Blackstone.